First of all, good morning to all. So without wasting the time, as you know very well what is day today, so there is no need to tell.
Take your hands out of your pocket.
So guys, where is turn?
Tell me about yourself. I don't know about you.
First of all, my name is Vikas and I come from Ranapur. If I talk about my family background, so there are 5 members in my family. First one is my mother, and my mother is a simple housewife. I will not talk about my father because I have no more father, and we are 4 siblings including me. And if I talk about my study, so I have done BA and I will take admission in further class. So it's enough.
So your brother, sister, what are doing?
No, I have 2 sisters, so she is married, and we are 2 brother. We both are unmarried, and I am doing job, and my second brother is at home.
So what your brother is doing?
No, he do nothing, only he do housework with my mother, because one person should be at home for do work with people, with my mom.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hi sir.
You left your company, so what you feel?
No, who said to you I left my company? I'm doing job at my.
But you said that upper level, so you said that.
No, I'm talking in my incoming my future. I will left, but at this time I'm doing, and I will do at that time when I will not get any further job.
But you said that my uncle said to me you left this company.
No, who said to you? Because it's your mistake. I never say so.
Okay, but I see he gives you opportunity. You do this work at home.
Yes, you are saying right. He said to me that you can do work at your home, stay at your home. So we can say the work from home at this time I am doing. So I will do work from home in coming future
So
also.
what do you feel about him, about there and here?
Though they are so more, they are so different between here and there. Because as you know very well, if you are living in more people, between more people, so you will feel another feeling. And if you are living at your home and you are a single, so what you will think? You will not unable to talk anybody. So they things are.
How can you say we cannot unable to talk to anybody?
I want to tell you, if you are living in so more people,
Yeah.
so the people will talk you another things. Your vocabulary and your mentally and your qualification will be improved with people, more people. If I am alone at my home, so what I will do? I will think only on myself.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hi ma'am.
What are you doing nowadays?
No, nowadays I'm learning English and I'm doing job with my English classes, and also I'm doing so more works on all day.
Hi sir.
Hi ma'am.
So, sir, what is your qualification?
So ma'am, I told you before some time I have done BA and I will take admission in further class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you ma'am.
Hi sir.
Hi ma'am.
Sir, how we can achieve job in private sector?
Ma'am, I want to tell you one thing. If you want to do a private job, so well, if you want to do in labor class job in private, so this is very easy. If you want to get a good level job, so you will have to do so hard work, and you will have to change with our things. We will have to change, because as you know very well, MNC companies gives us jobs, but they take so more intelligent people, not just like that. As I'm at this time, so he will not give me job. So I will be have to mature. I will have to know, and I should know about English, because their interview will be in English. So we will have to change with condition.
Okay, sir, I want to ask you, sir, which type study we have to, which type study, sir, किस तरह की study करें?
What should we study for this?
What should we study for this?
Ma'am, which type of condition would you like to choose? Means I told you two things. One in labor class and second is a high level job. So they both are different.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm also nice. I have a question for you. Now time you are doing.
First of all, please speak loudly because there are problem in my.
Now time you are doing job in a Amazon company. So which type work you do in Amazon company?
At this time, this type of work I do for a company, Amazon. So firstly, I want to tell you, we have 15 to 40 people by which we delivered the shipments. Suppose that I have today I have 100 pieces to receive the people. So I work on both delivery associate, and I see the performance of station, what is going on and what will be, and how we can improve our boys qualifications. I want to do work. I do work on delivery associate.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Alright, please have a seat.